Emergency maintenance is underway after the drinking water system in Mississippi's largest city failed, leaving more than 150,000 residents without safe drinking water for an unknown period of time.
Until it is fixed, it means we do not have reliable running water at scale.
With the National Guard sent in, officials on Tuesday called it a massively complicated task of distributing bottled water and restoring service and water pressure to homes and businesses forced to shut down.
It means the city cannot produce enough water to fight fires, to reliably flush toilets, and to meet other critical needs.
City officials say days of torrential rain increasing the threat of flooding in Jackson affected its water treatment options.
The water is not safe to drink, and I would even say it's not safe to brush your teeth with.
But Jackson's system has long been crippled by both inadequate infrastructure and a lack of resources to support it. In 2021, winter storms burst pipes, and Jackson residents were without running water for an entire month. Making up more than 80% of the city's population, Black Americans are disproportionately affected, despite the infrastructure bill President Biden called a once-in-a-generation chance to rebuild essential systems across the nation.
Never again can we allow what happened in Flint, Michigan, and Jackson, Mississippi. Can never let it happen again.
Some analysts say the city's high percentage of low-income residents in one of the poorest states in the country is part of the reason why steady, predictable resources for public services like drinking water still aren't being made available, despite that presidential promise as part of the $1.2 trillion infrastructure plan. And as for the problems at the plant in Jackson, there's still no timeline on when they'll be fixed. Neetu Garcha, Global News, Washington.